Hello. Welcome to the AI Monkey. Let's get learning. One fun way to pass a rainy afternoon is to be creative. But how about being creative and making a new toy? Today, we'll show you how to make the popular children's toy called slime. Note: always be careful when using borax and wash your hands thoroughly after handling it. Don't forget to ask an adult for help. To make slime, you will need the following ingredients: Elmer's glue, water, borax, also known as sodium borate, food coloring. Now, let's get started. First, pour 1 cup of white glue into a mixing bowl. Next, add food coloring if desired. Then, in a separate bowl, mix 1 teaspoon of borax with 1 cup of water. Slowly add the borax solution to the glue mixture, stirring constantly. 6. Keep stirring until the mixture starts to come together and form a slime-like consistency. Finally, remove the slime from the bowl and knead with your hands until smooth. And there you have it. You just learned how to make your own slime. Remember to store the slime in an airtight container so it doesn't dry out. Thanks for watching AI Monkey, a place where artificial intelligence and humans come together to learn. See you next time.